Launching a new website or a new page? Let's create an eye-catching coming soon page that will have everyone excited about what's coming next. Hi there, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we help you make the most of your WordPress site. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and personalize a coming soon page using a plugin. It's super easy and a great way to build anticipation before your site goes live. There are plenty of plugins that can help you create a coming soon page, and today we'll be using the SeedProd plugin. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type SeedProd, and once you find it, hit Install Now. After it's installed, go ahead and click Activate. SeedProd is now ready to work its magic. With SeedProd activated, you'll see a new option in your dashboard called SeedProd. Click on it, then choose Create New Page. Select the Coming Soon mode from the options, and let's get started on designing your page. Now, this is where the fun begins. SeedProd offers a range of beautiful templates to choose from. Pick one that fits your brand and click on it to start customizing. You can easily add your own logo, change the background, and update the text to match your style. Just drag and drop elements into place. It's super intuitive. In the headline section, add a headline that grabs attention. Below that, you can add a short message or description to let visitors know what's on the way. Don't forget to upload your logo to keep everything on brand. If you want to start building an email list before launch, add an opt-in form to collect email addresses. SeedProd integrates with most email marketing platforms, so you're all set to start growing your audience. Under the Page Settings tab, you'll be able to choose the address of your coming soon page. Once you're happy with how everything looks, hit the preview button to see your page in action. Go ahead and click Save and then Publish. Your coming soon page should now be live for the world to see. Now that your coming soon page is live, you're one step closer to launching your new website or your new page. But remember, a strong website needs reliable hosting to keep things running smoothly, especially when you're getting ready for a big launch. Rapyd Cloud's high-performance WordPress hosting ensures your site loads quickly, stays secure, and handles traffic spikes like a pro. So while you're building anticipation with your coming soon page, let Rapyd Cloud take care of the backend, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to focus on what you do best. Click the link in the description to try Rapyd today. And there you have it. Your coming soon page is up and running, ready to build excitement for your launch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your launch.